Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to get followers on Mastodon. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Mastodon application. Now you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Mastodon if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the home screen, as you can see, we have all of your posts from people that you follow. We have the search bar where you can go and search for stuff, new posts where you can put posts, we have notifications, and in the bottom right corner, we have your, as you can see, profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get followers on Mastodon. First of all, choose a server that aligns with your interests and has an active community, and engage with other users by liking, commenting, and boosting their posts, which you can do here. And you can click three dots here to boost their posts, like their posts, and everything like this. Now, make sure your bio is detailed and includes relevant keywords. Use an avatar or profile picture that reflects your interests. Post content that is relevant to your interests and the community you're part of. Also, use hashtags to make your post more discoverable. If you're coming from another platform like Twitter, try to connect with your existing followers. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.